friends, Books with Grandma here, and today I have a book called The Busy Little Tractor, illustrated by Francesca Pesci. He revs his engine set for a hectic day. His first morning chore is to gather the hay. He drives to the fields where he plows and then plants seeds that will feed the cows. On his way past the chickens, he drops extra seeds. A yummy little treat is what every chicken needs. He pulls at the broken barn door and sets it right. Now all the animals will be safe tonight. With his shovel, he digs up mud from a pond. He plops it down by the pigs so they can all roll around. He brings back the goats who have wandered away and helps fix the fence so they can no longer stray. Then it's off to his shed, covered in dirt and grime, wishing once again that he could sparkle and shine. The shed door swings open, and what does he see? All the thankful farm animals came to wash him clean. That's so nice. I love the pictures in this book. Very cute. The end. Thank you so much for stopping by. And until next time, always remember to have fun.